Title: Indian-style ricotta and pea stuffed mushrooms with a silky spiced tomato sauce. Prep: stuff, sauce, creamy ricotta, sweet peas, warm spices, mushrooms first. I've got 12 to 15 large mushrooms. White butter. Cremini. I gently wipe them with a damp towel. Twist out the stems, don't toss them. Chop those stems super fine. Brush the caps with a little oil and a pinch of salt. Park them. Pan on medium. A spoon of oil or ghee. Finely chopped small onion goes in. Sweat until translucent. Ginger garlic paste. A minced green chili if you like heat. And those chopped stems. Cook 3 to 4 minutes until the mushroom moisture cooks off. Cumin powder, turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Toast 30 seconds. Smells nutty, we're good. Add a 1/4 cup peas. Lightly mash a few so they mingle better with the cheese. Kill the heat. Cool it down a bit. In a bowl, 1/2 cup well-drained ricotta, the cooled spiced mix, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, chopped cilantro. Stir into a thick, creamy paste. Want crunch? Fold in a spoon of crushed roasted cashews. Stuff each cap. Be generous. Oven 200°C, 400°F. Onto a lined tray and bake 15 to 18 minutes until tender and just golden on top. No oven. Non-stick skillet, lightly greased, low heat. Covered 10 to 12 minutes. While they go, I'm dropping a quick spiced tomato sauce. Same pan, medium heat. A touch of oil or ghee. Pinch of cumin seeds if you've got them. Bloom 15 seconds. 1 cup smooth tomato puree or passata. A pinch of turmeric. A pinch of Kashmiri chili for color. Salt. And a tiny pinch of sugar to balance. Simmer 5 to 7 minutes until it thickens and sweetens up. Finish with a knob of butter or a splash of cream. Silky. Off the heat. Pull the mushrooms. They should be tender, juicy, a little bronzed. Plate with a swoosh of that tomato sauce. Mushrooms on top. Cilantro confetti. Want a smoky tandoori vibe? 1 tiny drop of liquid smoke in the filling next time. Or do a quick dungar if you know the drill. Bite test. Creamy ricotta. Sweet peas. Earthy spices. Bright tangy tomato. It's paneer adjacent, but softer, meltier, dangerously snackable. Make these for a party. Or demolish the tray solo. I won't judge. Hit save, cook this tonight. And tell me how many you actually shared later.